Well, today we've got the 1.6 diesel Focus. This is a 2011 plate, and we're going to change the pollen filter on it. Let's crack on. Okay, so here we go into the depths of the passenger footwell, and what we find, we've got to remove these clips here. Just unscrew them, pop them off, and then take down this bit of trim, which then leads us into the area of the filter. The filter's tucked away behind this panel here. Now what we do is squeeze these clips in and pull away the panel, and then we can tug out this and get hold of it. Here we go, look, here's your pollen filter coming out now, look. Or your cabin filter, whatever you want to call it. Oh, there we go, out with the old. So when we're putting these back in, the airflow is away from the front of the car, so it's got arrows on the top of this filter asking you, it's got arrows on there saying airflow, so there you go, it's going in into the car with these foam bits pointing towards the front. Okay, let's try and drop that in there. Now this is a real tight squeeze, and if you're like me and can't make a bed, trying to shove the quilt into the cover, and then you just rush it and it ends up looking all creased. Well, here we go, look. Ram it in and give it a shake. Oh, it's so tight and creased. It's quite flexible. Oh, here we go, look, now we're on it. Get in there. What are you messing about at, man? Fortunately for us, so we can stuff it in. Here we go, look, that's going in nicely now. All the way in like that. And then we'll have this little cover. It's got a locating lug at the top there, which we're going to drop in up there like that, and just drop that back across. And drop it in like that. There we go. Now on some cars there's the screw, but this one's actually broken off, so somebody's had this out before. So there is sometimes a screw on the bottom there, but it's secure, it's not going anywhere, so that's a good job. Let me just put a little cover back in again. There's little clips, just push them on now. Job done. And there we go. Nice little job on the Focus, all sorted. If that's been of any use to you, just drop me a comment, thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.